who truly love music, and those who truly love culture, who truly love our people, a people globally impacted by the long arm of imperialism, of colonialism, of genocide. Reject selling yourself and your culture as a ticket into a dying world. Recognize the death, recognize the blood money, recognize the defanging of everything that had radical roots, rap, techno, all music forms that was made to get us free. To those who refuse to understand, recognize that as you party on and ignore that there are people who see you too, and recognize that your time is limited.
We're here to raise awareness. This event that's happening here is being run by Boiler Room. And Boiler Room's parent company is KKR. And KKR is invested in Israeli projects, and it's also invested in CGL. And we're here tonight to let people in our neighborhood know, in our city know, that it's not okay to invest in genocide. When these things happen in our backyard, what do?
Shut it down!
What do?
Shut it down!
Turn on to Palestine!
Occupation is a crime!
What kind of rave has cops? Corporate rave! Corporate rave! Corporate rave!
Not even too far from here. You know what? You can drive an hour west of here and go to 6 stations, and they don't even